Well, it's a 2-year program in auto collision repair. It is sponsored by iCar. iCar is an international company that trains young students and adults to do the basics in auto body repair. When working for a body shop today, they want you to have certifications in iCar. So I let these students work and earn 22 certifications by the time they finish my 2-year program.
My favorite part, honestly, had to be the welding part. Welding is always something I wanted to know how to learn.
We go through the basics of sheet metal repair, plastic repair. We do refinishing. I even teach MIG welding, and we do R&R, where we take parts off, put them back on. Just all the basic stuff in the body shop that they'll be doing.
Actually starting it while you're in high school is really giving you a head start and a jump forward to be successful in the career.
And when they graduate, if they're already working in a body shop, that's a guaranteed job. And auto collision repair, after you've been there 4, maybe 5 years of experience in a shop, there's no reason they can't make over $100,000 a year, because they don't pay them by the hour, they pay them by the jobs that they do. For an entry-level position, I teach them everything they need to know, and we have a work-based learning program so that in their second year, they can actually go to a job for half a day, get paid, and still earn school credits. So it's a win-win situation for students.